My name is Nguyen Zoom, and today I'm going to talk about the changing HRM. Industry Revolution 4 and COVID-19 are two primary industries with strong interest in changing the way businesses run and changing the required skills and knowledge of the workforce. On the other hand, technological advancements have reshaped and transformed various business processes. Industry 4 with various technological advancements including big data, cloud computing, Internet of Things, cybersecurity, nanotechnology, robotics, and AI will bring great change to the world. Labor market and employment structure at different levels. AI can not only be used to help recruiting companies but also the employees in the hiring process. For example, AI technology can streamline application process by designing forms that are easier to use to complete, effectively reducing the number of abandoned applications. Smart technology can automate process like benefits management, pre-screening, interview scheduling, and more. Furthermore, when AI is integrated with robots, low levels worker can perform better job at a lower cost. Take a look at the table below to see how the number of robots in use had consistently increased over the years in every part of the world. As As per one of the research done by Biden called 87% of HR executives agree that digital technology will change the functioning of core HR, leading to labor supply, demand, labor structure, and the nature of employment will be seriously affected. The sectors based on manual labor and industry associated with the automation process will also be significantly affected. Thus, the impact of the industrial revolution for on employment will be shift from labor intensive to knowledge intensive and technology intensive production. Industrial revolution for require much better training of human resources with new skill than the previous decade. Because the market requires human resources with more skill and better education level. Currently, higher education generally has not satisfied the required employers. One of the challenges facing development countries when approaching Industry 4 is the skilled human resources. As a result, present employees are working to improve their own qualification, such as administrative abilities, technical skills, and creativity that machine can easily replace labor. The COVID-19 outbreak has made working from home the new way of working for millions of employees in the EU and around the world. Due to the pandemic, many workers and employers have had to make a rather abrupt transition to remote work for the first time, and without any preparation. Early estimate from Aerofile I showed that due to the pandemic, around 50% of Europeans work from home, compared with 12% before the emergency. Currently, these numbers are roughly the same, with many employees and organizations able to work from home even after the pandemic. Many scholars point out that to adapt to the situation today, communication technology is changing organization. Online social networking platforms are now a very important communication tool not only for individual but also for organization. This is an opportunity for the professional networking platforms that are booming. They are they offer huge business potential. There are new big platforms such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, beside big companies like Facebook, Zalo. Employees are having to adapt to the online working environment instead of face-to-face is a challenge for workers. In order to adapt to the changing working environment, HI must develop new kinds of monitoring, such as turning on cameras and employing intelligence-based progress tracking platform. In addition to timekeeping and process tracking, Workplus or Asana, for example, encourage employee self-discipline because the social side of motivation is such just as important in motivation theories as it is in the online environment. Leaders must engage in the plethora of online activities to form a link with their staff. Can therapy exert a positive influence on their motivation, such as hosting online productivities, competition among employees, encourage employees communication through online chat, show, and so on. The strength is the instrument for quality control. Our company has more than 20 years of experience. The weakness of my company is like of marketing personnel. Presentations are communication tool that can be used at lecture. Um, According to WEF Future Production Readiness Report 2018, Vietnam just ranked in the 81 and 80 at high skill labor rankings. Vocational training quality and just 92 out of 100 when compared with other countries in Asia. Therefore, universities in Vietnam need to be aware of these challenges and should have a suitable strategy for the development and science of technology, change in training mode, and investment of facilities to train high quality human resources in the digital era. Thank you, and thank you for listening to my presentation.